on, guys? My name is Grace, Ultimate Fangirl Grace, and my brother, Ultimate Fanboy Luke, is here. And today we are going to build Luke's Lego Star Wars set. So this is the fighter attack for ages 4 and up. My brother wanted this set because he wants more star ships and that. So let's get this open. Okay. So, what is everyone's favourite Star Wars character? I like Anakin. Baby Anakin. Who do you like, Luke?
Probably Count.
Ooh, that's a lot. Count Dooku. Why do you like Count Dooku?
Because he's like, I felt bad for him because he got killed by Anakin.
Well, Anakin was a little mad. Just a little. So we're going to be speed building this. So I'll
be right back.
So we'll see you in a second. And we're back. So, hope you enjoyed that little time lapse, and let's get started. So first, we'll stick with the biggest thing, the little
TIE fighter.
Yep, it's a nice little one. So you can open these flaps, and put a character in there. You can't put the character in the back; that's just for show. And that's the TIE fighter. Next, you get this guy called the fighter pilot. Oh, crap, wasn't in frame. So there he is. Next, for bag 2, we get the Rebel Fleet Trooper. And that. He also has a gun as well.
Silver.
And then you get 2 little blocks, which I don't really know what they're for.
I believe it's box crates or boxes.
Okay, that's my brother. And next, we get this little satellite thing, and I like how you didn't have to put the sticker on because I suck at stickers. So that is the fighter attack sets 75237 Lego Star Wars. So my name is Grace,
and the Ultimate Fangirl Boy Luke.
You guys will fandom, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because I make new videos every Monday, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.